Welcome back to the channel, y'all. This is the first of many local rides we're going to do to some different places. But we're headed to Delray Beach this morning, late morning, and just didn't feel like getting up too early today, you know. But yeah, we're gonna head to Delray Beach and show you around there. I don't go to Delray Beach much, if at all. Been through there, haven't really stopped. We're gonna go to a place that'll bring back some memories if you saw the St. Augustine video this past winter. So yeah, enjoy it. We'll see you when we get there. Man, we actually got seating right away at the bar. Now, if you saw our video at St. Augustine, you'll notice the decoration's a little different. But the St. Augustine one is kind of cooler.
So crazy, that's so wrong and so bad.
So after looking at all these coffees, they have so many varieties of coffees you can order. Lattes, and they call these their signature coffees. I'm gonna have a pistachio chocolate latte. Sounds really good. So honestly, there's nothing on this menu that you're gonna go wrong with. Everything on the menu is really good. But today, I'm gonna try something different. Don't remember what I ate at St. Augustine, but I'm going to have the keto breakfast, which brings 2 eggs with kale and tomato, fresh mozzarella, half an avocado, prosciutto, and salmon. Now, Mrs. Hogg last time had a McGriddle tower. It's almost like 2 brioche buns with eggs in between. Really good. Thank you.
Eva's banana chai latte.
The what?
Eva's banana chai latte.
Eva's banana chai latte.
Yeah.
So this is called a pistachio chocolate latte. So yeah, so here, I'm not a big sweets person. I drink my lattes with no sugar or anything, but you know, when I go out, I like to try different things. Anyway, just so you know, the base is what's important. What's the base? The coffee. The coffee here is insane. It's really good. And the all the other stuff is, forget it. It just kicks it out of the park. For all you bearded dragons out there, make sure you clean your mustache. So this is a keto breakfast with scrambled eggs. Keto breakfast with fried eggs over medium, in case I didn't say it before. Prosciutto, salmon, cheese, avocado, fried eggs. Bon appetit. Yeah, man, I gotta tell you, I never highly recommend any places on my channel. I kind of give you ideas, but this place, if you want best quality coffee, best quality food, come there and try it out. Modern Rose in Delray Beach. They got one in St. Augustine if you're closer to St. Augustine. Same owners, two sisters, and it's just really good. You know, everything, quality, the attention to detail, the service, everything. And so I highly recommend that place. It is, I don't know about who, but it is rated #1 in Florida, #1 cafe in Florida. To me, it's more than a cafe. It's a special brunch place. You know, I kid around because of the one in St. Augustine, the way it's decorated, you know, it's all princessy like. There are some other locations. It's a little confusing. It's not the original owners. So I highly recommend going to either the one in St. Augustine or this one here in Delray Beach. Because, yeah, I don't know if you'll get the same quality service and food that you get here. So we're headed east here on East Linton Boulevard in Delray Beach. I had to find a road with a bridge to cross over because you got the bay there before. So two McLarens, one Ferrari, make it two Ferraris. Two McLarens and two Ferraris. There's a lot of supercars around here, by the way. It's pretty cool to just ride around, look at all the supercars. A lot of money in this neighborhood, man. So this is a very nice road if you want to take a cruise through here. Of course, as usual, A1A. The beach is right there. Scenery is really nice. Get a lot of shade from these trees. It's perfect. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and head home and call that a day. But I was trying to tell you all when I didn't notice the camera had shut off. I didn't know this was so upscale up here in Delray Beach anyway. It's really nice. If you want to get into a public beach, you got to come early, man. Early bird gets the worm. There is no parking at this time. What is the time? It's 2:40 in the afternoon. There's a lot going on this weekend here with the art show, but all the roads were closed over there at Pineapple Grove because of the art show. But if you want to see something different and take a ride in a different area, it's pretty cool. It's kind of like it's an art district. I don't know that I would compare it to Wynwood. Wynwood's a lot nicer, but an art district nonetheless. So hey guys, this was a short one. Just a quick ride out to Delray Beach. I had planned a little bit more, but maybe left the house a little too late. But if you're going to visit, definitely come out early. If you're going to go to the beach, definitely come out early. I give that advice to you, no matter what beach you go to this season on spring break and summer. Need to get there early, or else you're going to be sitting around waiting for parking, which I didn't want to do today. That's not what my trip was about, but just wanted to show you Delray Beach. Quick video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button. It helps the channel a lot. And don't forget to subscribe. Share the video. It lets the algorithm know that you liked it. But anywho, as usual guys, stay safe out there on the roads. See y'all real soon. As a matter of fact, next week.